Hello everyone, good evening, and have a little bit of a evening, cool evening. Today is no more cool as per the yesterday because the day by day that season will take out changes, some weather will changes that we converted to in a coming to a spring season that is uh, now coming to the point. The thought of the day is that it is not necessary to have a more relationship in a life, but it is necessary to have a life on a relationship. It means you can say that in Hindi जीवन में ज़्यादा रिश्ते होना जरूरी नहीं, पर जो रिश्ते हैं उनमें जीवन होना जरूरी है. The thought of the day is that it is not necessary to have a more relationship in a life, but it is necessary to have a life on a relationship. People are always trying to make a more and more friends and always trying to make a connect with the more peoples. They are always trying to be connected with lots of people. Are thinking that if it is, I have a great that I have a contact of 400 peoples. I have a contact of 400 people. It means you can say some are being a very proud to have a more relationship in their life. I'm relationship means I don't understand, but the boys girls is that is not relationship means you can have friends, families, partners, anything. That not necessary to have a more, but it is necessary to have a life. Whether you have a two friends, whether you have a two family relation, or you either have a, any three, four, but it is necessary to have the friends which you have. They have a life on it. Doesn't like that if they have, you have a lots of friend, but no one friend like that will provide you some kind of any suggestion or that will be helpful for you. They are not like that friend that will be more wasteful for you. So it is necessary to have a life on a relationship. So it is not necessary to have a more relationship in life, but the relationship which you have, there must be have a life in there. After that, now coming to the topic that today I just started. Wake up at morning, and after wake up, then I go back for the running. Today I going for the running or exercise for too late, and then when I had gone for there, then the grounds are totally be empty. It means can there no one is there on the grounds, and where I used to go for the walking or exercise, there is in the besides of that there is a one school, middle school, where the students used to come for the studies. So today I gone when then I saw that there are lots of students are on there. Then where I used to do exercises. Due to that, I am not able to do that exercises, more exercises. Right? I do a little bit of exercises. After doing a little bit of exercises, I come back to room. After coming back room, I had to take a bath. After taking a bath or being fresh, then I had take a breakfast. You can say that I had little lit some. You can say that that's peas from the room which I had bought last day. After that, I had gone for the room, and there I had read at least 2 hours. And after studying 2 hours, then come back to the room and I take directly lunch because today we had cooked a lot late. That's why we had directly take a lunch at at least 1 of 12 p.m. You can say that. And after taking a lunch, then again I come back. Then again I started to studying the topics which I had started to read. And after studying 1 hour, I had to take a short nap. That you can say about half an hour. I had to take a short nap. And after waking up from that, then again gone to the bay, again going to for the room, and from that I had read little bit and doing some practices, some trying to make some questions, make practice. After doing practicing questions, then it's time to be for my tuitions at evening time. Then on evening I had just go for tuitions, and there I used to teach him to whatever the topics which I had going to touch or teach. Then after teaching my students on the tuitions, then I had come back to room. And today I had just gone for the market, the daily market, which is only on the you can say that which is far away from my room, at least 4 kilometer. I had walked 4 kilometer for purchasing the vegetables, and after purchasing that vegetables, I had come back from there. I had saved also. There are lots of money. You can say that, and because today on our room there is the light is not present at from tomorrow, as from you can say that from the mid of the day. That's why the light is burning at this time due to the burning of the our fuses going to blast. That's why. So that we have not a light. So I decided to take out. long walk on for 4 kilometer and to purchase vegetables, that can I can save my money also, or I can make my time utilize on walking because today I not on exercise. That's why. And after purchasing the vegetables, after coming back to the room, then I started cooking for the foods. And after cooking the foods, then after cooking food, I had take a learn after at least 1/2 an hour, where I learn that which I am going to tell you that the learning point of the day. The learning point of the day today, which I had learned, that is the how to make a habit of reading books. How you can make a habit of reading books. To make a habit of reading books, at least you always try to read at least one page daily. Make a habit to always try to take a you can say that you can say that always try to read at least one page. If you decide to read one page daily, only one page, by using this technique you can easily make a habit of reading books. When you're trying to read one page, then after reading one page, if you any topics you are reading, suppose you are any interesting topic reading, when you read one page, then you know about you are going more excited to be read another one, because you need to know the whole the stories what was the going on. Because suppose that you are watching a web series, when you watched a one series web series, one part of one series, then you know that you are being excited to read, to watch another web series. That's why this rule you can, if you apply on your reading, if you start reading at least one page per day. When you read a one page, then next day when you are starting reading that, then you get that there are some topics which you need to know and which are being very excited, and you are for excitement you had to turn off the other page. By this way you are continuously you are being a habit. So make it and use it, apply it on you. I'm 100% sure that you can make it easily. Because today I also when I sometimes I feel that it's the doing a video in the front of that is to it's wasting the time or taking a I mean I wanted to be in a comfort zone. I think that that's how I again go in back the front of the camera and read at least one topic daily and search a one thought daily. It will taking a lots of, you can say that means we are being so, you can what you can say that it's always the people are try to do be in a comfort zone. And I also want to like that, but I had dedicated to me that at least daily one video should upload on the YouTube, and which is if the views doesn't matter, that view is not going up 100, doesn't mean the view is 1,000. If the views want at least one view is coming in a one day, that's enough for me. And doesn't matter if there is no view, any view, because the video which I had shoot, that was really very helpful for me. I know that doing a video in the like this day by day, I had gained lots of improvement. I think that because the before starting this, I always try to speak in the front of how I can speak. But now I had a lot of confidence that I can. If I go for anywhere, I can shoot a video. I can speak in the front of the people. I can speak in the English in the class. I can give a presentations on any language if I will be. So it's being really very profitable, I think. I don't care that the people are interested on my video or not interested, but I know that is really helpful for me. That other will not take any load, and I also give their content to learn for other also. But those who understand me or who are understanding my videos topics, they must watch. But they are not understanding that I that's not my duty. If they are not watching, that doesn't matter. It will really helpful for me, and I will also suggest you to, you can also do like that. You can speak in the front of mirror, or you can just speak in the front of this, or you can speak in the front of the people. That will also very helpful for you. But the so easiest way to be speak in the front of the camera. And if you're uploading video daily, so after a long time you can check that how you had a start and how you are today. That's also grateful. So keep learning and keep watching, keep supporting. And thank you. Bye bye. Good night.